Which takes us to number 5, using industry safety standards to set an expectation of safety. There are numerous industry consensus standards dealing with safety that are available for the industry to use, and the question is, do they use them? As a foundation, you have Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, FMVSS. Those have to do with, do your airbags work, do your headlights work? It's basic vehicle functions for all vehicles, not automated vehicles. And you have NCAP, which is a star-based system for things like crash tests, with Euro NCAP also having some active safety evaluation. There's also cybersecurity standards. There's functional safety standards. ISO 26262 is the automotive equivalent of functional safety standards in other arenas such as IEC 61508. There's dynamic driving function standards that have to do with functional insufficiencies and the fact that sensors aren't going to have 100% accuracy rate. There's system-level safety standards that encompass all these things, but also what happens about post-crash response and the things that have to do with beyond dynamic driving task. In general, the industry has come to recognize that they need an overarching vehicle safety case that accounts for all these pieces, and there's a standard that talks about how to put one of those together and how to evaluate that it's complete and consistent. And by the way, there's also a road testing safety standard. All these safety standards are already issued. They're out there. Any car company could use them if they want to. But right now, the government only requires the vehicle safety ones and none of the rest of them. And there are no companies that say they conform to the other safety standards. They may do pieces of them. They may have internal practices informed by them. But trying to find a company that will publicly say, yes, indeed, we conform to any one of these safety standards, if you look, you won't find that. I think over time that's going to have to change for the industry to build more trust.